Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Tuban area in Kuta on October 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Tuban area in Kuta because my viewer they have request to explore on this area. Okay guys, now we are in Kediri Street. In this area is actually there is only lot locals people stay in this area. From here to go to the airport is only around 5-minute driving. So, Tuban is not so far from the airport. You see this area? There is more people drive around on motorbike today, also by the car. So, it means this area is not so quiet. Because on last month, I also update this area and was very quiet in September. The website, there is a lot motorbike parking. There is one big market in this area we call Pepito. Okay guys, so far you see it's so busy, isn't it, in this area? I think because the international border open, there is a lot of people back to Kuta from their village because they prepare their business in Kuta area. If you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. You see left side? There is a lot of people on the sidewalk. Also there is a lot of car in this area, isn't it? It's look busy. See big building left side? There is big shopping mall in Tuban area. And in the right side, there is the army boarding. Big office for the army in this area. And if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. It's very clear. And actually, Bali like block area. I mean, even for local people. If the people from the other island outside from Bali, if they want to come to Bali, they have to must already hand in vaccine. And then for Bali, I gonna say like more than 85%. This is for double vaccine already done in Bali. And also, I heard there is more than 1,000 people is already booking to come to Bali. So this way we help together Bali getting normal and busy again. Okay, you see at the front there is big building. Actually, is someone want to make hotel right there, but because they have the problem on economic, they change to be a hospital. Okay guys, now we still continue driving in Tuban area. It's look busy, isn't it? There is a lot of taxi around here. And in this area, there is a lot of hotel, also some local restaurant. So that's why during the day and evening, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalks. It's normally. You see left side, this big building. There's the hotels. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's still quiet, but it's much better than last month. Because I see some hotel that is already a lot of car parking. It's mean like people stay there at the moment. As I told you, I explored this area because my viewer they are asking me to explore in Tuban area. It's also Tuban area is very famous because this area is just nearby the airport and nearby central of Kuta. It's just around 5-minute drive into the airport and 5-minute drive into the central Kuta. And actually, this area there is a lot of hotel, very famous for domestic tourism, as like for local people. And also on this area there is a lot of restaurant is very famous for local people. So what do you think this area? It's very beautiful, isn't it? If I turn left at the front, it's only 200 meters. There is like highway in Bali. We call bypass Ngurah Rai. But we do continue driving to explore Tuban area. And you see there is a lot motorbike and car driving in this area. It looks so busy, isn't it? Okay guys, keep stay in touch until the end of this video. And also you can enjoy traditional Bali music. Oh yeah, I'm sorry I forget to tell you. If you have any requests to explore some area in Bali, just let me know. Maybe I can help you. And then I will explore on your requests. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Tuban area during the pandemic corona on October 2021. And once again, I want to say thank you very much because you already support this channel. And for you, if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.